Good morning, class. Today we're going to explore fractions and how we use them to describe parts of a whole. I have a spool of blue ribbon with me. Let's just say the entire spool is wrapped with blue ribbon, and we want to know how much of it is used. Imagine using the total amount of ribbon on the spool and divide it into 4 equal parts. This is where fractions come in, so let's go and try it out. So, in our problem here, I'll read it. It says this blue ribbon right here represents 3/4 of all blue ribbon on a spool. Draw all the blue ribbon on the spool. So let's go get started. So let's just say that this is all the blue ribbon. Okay. Well, we need 3/4. So how are we going to divide this into 3/4? Well, we're going to take our ruler, and with our ruler it is 12 centimeters. So we need to divide that into 3 because this is 3 out of the 4. So how can we divide 3/4 if it's 12 centimeters? Well, what is 12 divided by 3? So if we do 12 divided by 3, how many times is 3 going to 12? 4, correct. And then that's 12. You subtract that, and that's 0. So we need to divide that into 3 parts. So what we're going to do is, so we now have to divide it into 3 equal parts by 4, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we take our ruler and we mark a 4 here. We go over, mark another 4 here. So this means that they're equally split. So this is all 3/4. So what we're going to do is we're going to shade all 3 of these in. But after we shade all 3 of those in, there's only 3 here. We need it out of 4. So out of those 4 parts, 3 parts are already used and 1 part is left. So how could we add another one on? Well, this one's divided into 1/4. This one is divided into 1/4. And this one is divided into 1/4. So we need to add another 1/4 onto that. So take our ruler and add another 4. But let's take it with a different color because we're not having 4 out of 4 blue ribbon. We're having 3 out of 4. So the 3 are shaded and 1 is left over that is not blue. So we're going to go from 0 to 4. So we'll draw that right there. And we'll draw it over here too. Take 4, 0, draw that, add that, and there's your extra 4. So all of these add up to 4 out of 4, but we needed 3 out of 4 shaded in, and here is our 3 out of 4 shaded in. So when we say 3/4, we are saying we have 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. So let's take a moment to think about what 3/4 means. Well, the top number 3 tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number 4 tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. So, excellent work today. You all did a great job understanding how to represent fractions using the blue ribbon on the spool. You guys did so good. Now remember, one more reminder, fractions show us parts of a whole. If we say 3/4, that means 3 parts out of the 4 equal parts that are used. Great job, guys. Bye, I'll see you later.